if you're problem solving a problem with a client, that is not, you might have procedures you can follow, but ultimately you're still going to have to make some judgment and reconcile some things. And so that's where I start to move into skills. And the main question I ask if I'm considering if something's a skill is it reasonable to think that somebody can be proficient without practice? Can somebody do this without practicing? If that's the case, if it is, the answer is yes, then I consider it to be procedural. If I can call somebody up and explain how to do it over the phone, I do this all the time with my mother when she's trying to figure out how to attach a photo to her, attach a PDF to her email or something like that. I can say, do this, do this, do this, and great. So then it's procedural. If the answer is no, somebody really can't be good at it without practice, then I think it's a skill. So we're going to use that definition. If somebody needs to practice to be good at it, then it's a skill.